Hello students, today we discuss in chemistry salt and its application. We have already studied NaOH, NaCl and bleaching powder. Okay, NaCl sodium chloride, NaOH that is sodium hydroxide known as caustic soda, and bleaching powder CaOCl2. Today we study the three other salt which are commonly used in our house. First one is NaSCO3, okay, baking soda, NaHCO3. Formula I am writing on the board, NaSCO3. NaSCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, or it is also known as baking soda. NaSCO3, baking soda. Baking powder also it is known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Second one we discussed, that is Na2CO3. That is washing soda. Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate. Its water of crystallization is 10H2. Na2CO3 dot 10H2. There it is, washing soda or sodium carbonate. This is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. Third we discussed, that is plaster of Paris. The plaster of Paris formula is CaSO4 dot half H2. Formula again I revise, CaSO4 means it is calcium sulfate dot half H2, water of crystallization. This 10H2 and this is half H2. This H2 when linked with the salt, that is known as water of crystallization. CaSO4 dot half H2. It is prepared from gypsum. Plaster of Paris, okay, white material. For crack in the walls or for building purpose, this plaster of Paris is used. And in another, that is Indian ideals, okay, Ganesh Murti or other murtis, on the spot if you want to prepare within 1 or 2 days, then plaster of Paris is used. And second one, it's used in bone crack. If bone crack take place, then plaster of Paris is applied on the particular bone crack for 1 or 2 months. So for that purpose, this plaster of Paris is used. One by one we will discuss about these all three components. First one, NaSCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate. Second one, Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. And third one, that is CaSO4 dot half H2O, that is plaster of Paris. Okay. Okay. In preparation we will see. Okay, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its formula is NaSCO3. Its manufacture. If NaCl solution in water, means aqueous solution of salt, if it is treated with carbon dioxide and ammonia, or if carbon dioxide gas and ammonia is passed through NaCl solution, that sodium will convert it into carbonate. Ammonia will take this chlorine and convert it into ammonium carbonate. So it will form sodium bicarbonate. So you have to pass ammonia and CO2 gas in NaCl solution. Then it will give sodium bicarbonate. Use of sodium bicarbonate. It is used for baking powder. Baking powder means preparing food like bread, cake or biscuit. In that, aqueous solution of NaSCO3, if it is heated, then it is converted into Na2CO3 and CO2 gas is evolved. This CO2 gas is responsible for the empty space in the food or biscuit. Okay, the air gaps or light in weight, biscuit becomes light in weight. That is because of CO2. Okay, dosa, idli, in that also this baking powder is used to make the food spongy. Next, NaSCO3 in acidic medium H plus is also release CO2 gas. It means it is used as an anti-acid. Okay, acid react with this base. So this sodium bicarbonate is an alkaline solution. This react with acid and it gives CO2. In aqueous solution also or in acidic solution. In stomach, if you have acidity, if you take high protein food, then in our stomach acid comes out. So acidity will form. To overcome this acidity, we have to take NaHCO3 solution. Okay, as for example ENO. So ENO powder is nothing but it containing sodium bicarbonate. This react with HCl or any other organic acid. It is converted to its respective salt plus water and carbon dioxide. So it neutralizes the acid. Last use, that is the fire extinguisher. In fire extinguisher also certain reactions are there. If you take out the knob, then this HCl react with this bicarbonate and CO2 gas is released. That's why it is known as soda acid. That acid when it spread, then it produces CO2 and CO2 is the fire extinguisher. So in that particular bottle, acid and bicarbonate is there. So white foam powder is coming out which produce CO2 gas. And CO2 gas is the fire extinguisher. Okay, so this is about baking soda. Second compound is this washing soda. Washing soda, sodium carbonate. Formula is Na2CO3 dot twice H2. Sorry, 10H2. 10H2, that is water of crystallization. As discussed earlier, this Na2CO3 is preparing from sodium bicarbonate. Okay, it is used for preparation of soap and detergent. That's why it is known as washing soda. Okay, from this, if fatty acid is treated with this Na2CO3, fatty acid means oil. In that oil, if you add this Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, then we can prepare soap and detergent. Mineral oil, then we can prepare the detergent. And if it is simple food oil, then we prepare soap. Second, preparation. How to prepare washing soda in the laboratory? Bicarbonate, if it is heated, then water is and carbon dioxide is removed from it and it is converted into Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. This sodium carbonate, when it is kept for few minutes under water or in water solution, water of crystallization will take place or this water will link to this salt. So Na2CO3 dot 10H2 and white color powder is formed. That powder is nothing but this washing soda. Use. So as earlier discussed, it is used for preparation of soap, detergent in paper industries. So this paper, one foam is applied to the paper for as a fillers. For that this Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate is used. Preparation of glass. Glass means borax glass. Okay, borax glass, pirate glass, heat proof glass. For that it converted into sodium metaborate, sodium hexaborate. Formula is Na2B4O7 dot 10H2. Then glass is formed. Okay, borosilicate glass also it can be prepared. Sodium borosilicates. So it is used for preparation of glass. Third one, it is used to remove permanent hardness. Permanent hardness how can be removed? If you add in water Na2CO3, okay, you put some powder or spread some powder in hard water containing calcium and magnesium minerals. If calcium and magnesium salts are present in water, then that water is hard water. In that hard water you add Na2CO3. Then carbonate of this Na2CO3 will react with calcium and magnesium of hard water and form calcium and magnesium carbonate. Okay, salt will form and it will settle down. So hard water, calcium and magnesium can be removed by adding this Na2CO3. Next, for preparation of detergent. So in cleansing agent, in preparation of detergent or in laundry where high amount of clothes we have to wash, then detergent is used. For that preparation also Na2CO3 is used. Third one, that is plaster of Paris. In short, it is known as POP. That is prepared from raw material known as gypsum. Okay, gypsum. Okay. Third compound is POP, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, POP. Short, it is known as POP. It is calcium sulfate hemihydrated. CaSO4 hemi means half. CaSO4 dot half H2O. So water of crystallization here it is half. It is prepared from gypsum. Okay, gypsum mineral. It is a mineral of calcium in sulfate form. So it is CaSO4 dot twice H2O. So if you compare, gypsum is CaSO4 dot twice H2O. Water is more as compared to calcium sulfate. Water is 2 mole and CaSO4 is 1 mole. Nothing means what 1? 1 is to 2. So here water is more, CaSO4 is less. There it is gypsum. If it is heated at 100 degrees Celsius, 373 Kelvin, then this water of crystallization is removed. So 1.5 molecules removed and half molecules of water remains. That is CaSO4 dot half H2. Here it is twice and there it is half. If it is half, then it is converted into plaster of Paris. This gypsum, if it is heated more than 400 degrees Celsius or 400 Kelvin, more than that, then both water molecules will remove and it is converted into anhydride calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Water is removed. That is known as dead burn POP. In that, if you add water, then fibrous material or strength of POP will not obtain. Here in first case CaSO4 dot half H2O, strength is obtained just like cement. So here calcium sulfate dot half H2O, water of crystallization is half. Then when water is mixed with this POP material, within 10 to 15 minutes, okay, its strength is obtained. So to obtain quick strength on the spot, this plaster of Paris is used. So it is used by orthopedic doctor, okay, surgeon, bone surgeon, to fix the bone fracture. If fracture take place in our bones, okay, hand or legs, then first it is joined by the screw. Then after on the upper part of the hand for fixed position, this POP is applied for 1 month or 2 months. So for fixing the bone fracture, this POP material is used. Making design in the ceiling in our house and industries, POP sheets are available or POP designs we can make in our house, in drawing room, okay, bedroom, POP ceiling is there with different lighting design. So in that this use. Third use in making idol or statue of Ganpati, Mataji or any other statue we want to prepare. Okay, not permanent but temporary statue we want to prepare, then POP is used. In the industries, film industries, or different architecture design the different statue on the spot or within 1 or 2 days, then this POP is used. So this is the few use of POP. It is prepared from gypsum. Remember the formula: gypsum, then CaSO4 dot twice H2O, and plaster of Paris means CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay. Try to write this reaction and use this in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.